Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove quantity from your products on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm in my dashboard, and what we're going to do from here is we're going to go to the products page. Now, of course, you already need to have products in case you want to change their quantity. As you can see, currently I have 25 in stock. Now, if I click on that, it will open up the editing page for that product. Once that's done, we're going to go scroll down until we see quantity over here. It'll show the location as well as the quantity right over here. Now, we're going to go on either available or on hand. I'm going to go to available, and I'm going to set the new to 20. And as you can see, you can also adjust it by a certain number if you want, and you can change the reason of why you changed it. By default, it's correction, so I'm just going to keep it like that, and I'll click save. And as you can see, the status has changed, and now I have less of that item on stock. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.